Good morning, everybody. Big game Sunday, Kansas City and Tampa Bay. And for the record, I have to give the edge to Kansas City, but I hope it is a good game. It's out early this morning, looking at a RV, a Class B RV. And I kind of walked away from it because it was very, very overpriced for the age of the vehicle. And you could tell there had been some bad leaks that had caused some inside damage to the wood. And I really made up my mind after looking at probably four of these Class B camper vans that I am going to stop going and checking them out. The prices are very inflated of these vehicles now, and I'm turning my attention more to, I'm actually targeting conversion vans now, and that's some nice factory-built vans by usually the big three automakers that, number one, they're very well built. And they have great shells around them, and if you have leaks, generally all you have to do is replace the gasketing material around windows, and you are good to go. The other thing too is they still give you some element of stealth out there where you can park them without garnering a lot of attention, like a high top Class B would have. Certainly you couldn't put a Class A or a Class C on the average street. But one of the reasons I've really liked my van is that aspect of stealth. The other thing is internally, the build quality of conversion vans tends to be very, very good. And I appreciate that aspect. They have soundproofing. They have a lot of insulation typically in them. And they can start out with a few bells and whistles, such as possibly a small kitchen, which I think is important. And for that aspect, they're already ahead of the game, and the prices aren't really too bad for the conversion vans. And I really have decided to target conversion vans just for that reason. I'm not really looking for something in the 80s and 90s. They're pretty cool, but you're generally looking at vehicles that have 150,000 to 200,000 miles on them, and you're looking probably at an engine or transmission change out, or possibly both. So I'm going to keep my eyes out for one of them. I'm kind of off the Class B trail right now, but very excited about looking at conversion vans because the prices seem to be a lot more attractive. I'm in no rush to do this. I've been looking for the better part of the year, and I will continue looking. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the game, and I will see you guys later. As usual, thumbs up are appreciated, and thanks for being along this morning.